Hello guys, my name is Bhaskar Misra and welcome to Study Point. In this video I will tell you that how you can download game in your PC. First you have to open the Microsoft Store, okay? And here you have to search the game that you want. Then I want Hill Climb Racing, okay? Like this. And here it is coming. Yeah, here all games will come and I want this one. Okay, it will rotate for some time. Yeah, I think that I have to search. Yeah, this one game. Happy Wheels. No, I want. Yeah, this one game. Where's that one? This one is Stickman Downhill BMX. Okay, then I have clicked on it. It is opening. Yeah, here it is come. Okay, and then you have to click on get like this. It will take time. You can see here it will show that what will in this game. 1 minute. This one I have opened like this. It is taking too much time. Okay, then it will come. Then here I have also already selected that one option, and here install is coming. You have to click on install here. Okay, after that it will be downloaded. Thank you to watch. Okay.